Hey traders, let's have a look at what's going on with the markets across all markets. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so before I get started, traders, I'm giving away a 30-day risk-free access to my coaching program. If you are looking to learn my trading strategy, get access to my coaching and test it all out risk-free for 30 days, then that very first link in the description from there. Or if you're not really interested in the coaching program, but you would like to get some free education, that second link in the description there, I'm giving away free membership access to my breakthrough trading course from there. So that's the second link in the description there. So depends on what you want there, guys. That 30-day risk-free access, that's only a bit of a marketing test that I'm running for the Memorial Day, and that's about to end as well too. So that first link in the description there. Let's go have a look at the overall markets and see what's going on right now. Again, just it's a short-term technical analysis update, guys, across here about what's going on with the markets from there. So the first thing I do say is on the S&P 500, we've got these sort of low through here, and we've got this sort of higher low through here, and the market's coming up. So S&P is really in a conjunction of just not really being strong at all. We're slowly going up, but we're not really going up, right? It's been sort of just a drag on this, and not really much going on through there. If we go have a look at the Nasdaq in the markets as well too, the Nasdaq has been in a terror to the upside, right? A tear, right? It's been in a tear to the upside. As you can see from here, right, we had a really big move from there to there, right? Really big move up from there to there. Very big move. And so now, guys, looking at this level through here, now you would expect it to see some sort of a backing pattern. If I'm looking at some sort of a short-term trend line from here, let's bring up the last sort of 3 months. Maybe if there's a trend line where it could pull back to, guys, it's probably going to be this one through here, I would say. If I'm going to use a trend line on the short-term analysis from here. So you can see that'll be that level from there to there. Yeah, from that level there. You can see we picked up this point through here, and we picked up that point through there as well. And we've got it, maybe just maybe we can pick up that level through there as well too. But yeah, it's probably through there. So if we do get a pullback, guys, we could get a bit of a pullback down towards here. And it be along with this, actually, that'll be actually a healthy thing to happen within that there as well too. Let's look at the Dow Jones. And the Dow Jones, the big thing for me I'm noticing on the Dow Jones is that we had this sort of movement coming here. And as I'm doing this analysis, traders, the really big thing, as you can see, right, like all these indices are doing something different. And so therefore we can never just say the stock market and we have a blatant statement view across all the market, right? We can't say S&P, Dow, Nasdaq, Russell, this, right? Because guess what? They're all doing something different, aren't they? And that's a big thing for you when you're trading as well too. It's like whenever I'm doing my trading, and whenever I'm looking at the markets and I'm doing my trading, I'm never bullish or bearish. I'm just looking for really good opportunities. I don't care if they are bullish. I don't care if they are bearish. I'm just looking for really good trading setups. Again, guys, that first thing in the description there, when you get that 30-day risk-free access to my coaching, I will teach you my trading setup, and I'll help you and I'll coach you to become a much better trader from there as well too. Again, it's risk-free from there. But the big thing I'm noticing with the Dow Jones is that sort of 33,200 level from there, guys, is a really big area. If we do start to see something like this happening out of the markets, right, something like that, and then we get something like this here, and then maybe a break up. If we get something like this, guys, this is going to be a bit of a false breakout, because you can see we've actually had all the support level through here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 days of support level through there as well too, right? We actually broke down, then found support through here, and then as you can see, and if we do get something like this, this here is going to be a bit of a false breakout to the downside. And if that does happen, we could actually start to see a move back to the as well. All right. And so let's look at the Russell as well too. The Russell is the weakest one of the whole lot of them. It really is. And this is where, guys, I refer back to my comment earlier to where we can never just say the stock market's this, right? The stock market's going to crash. It's like, what does it actually even mean, right? Because but you do have stocks that, yes, that will go down, but then you have many stocks that are screaming new highs, right? McDonald's, Monster, Nvidia, Google, Facebook, like just absolutely just Facebook, Meta, right? Just absolutely just tear into the upside and making really big moves. So this is definitely an environment for a person who's a good trader and not a person who just says, well, the stock market's going to go up because of this Y and because of X, Y, Z, right? So looking at this level through here, right, we're still got this major level of support through here over the last, say, 6 months or so. Just still going sideways through here. So the thing that this, it's done nothing for, what is this here? Right, it's done nothing for almost 3 months. Nothing for almost 3 months will produce an explosive move in the markets. And so that's what happens, right? Because whenever we do get that sideways period, right, whenever the market does go sideways, we start to get really, 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 really big moves. And so I don't know whether it's going to go up or down, guys. That's something that you just don't know. I'm not going to guess or gamble. But if we do start to break above this 180 level, right, on the IWM, if we do start to break above that, then it's probably going to see a move to the upside. And if we do start to break below the 170 level, then we're probably likely to see a really big move to the downside. So let's go have a look at the mining sector. We'll go look at the GDX as well too. GDX, a bit of an update today. Again, right at that level of 50% level there. There's that low, and there's that low. There's that. Let's go to this one here. Let's delete that. Right, so you can see that low again over the last sort of couple of months. Last sort of 3 to 6 months, it's actually had this bit of a double top formation, worked out quite nicely, and then a bit of a pullback. So it's really interesting to see what actually happens here as well too. Do we continue to rally up, and then maybe find a bit of a support or resistance all through here? Because if so, the big level for the GDX is actually through there as well too. The big picture is still definitely to the upside. We're still definitely on a very big movement to the upside, but the first sort of port of call you want to see the GDX get through is that resistance around the $33 level, this big double top formation where we are right now. It has come down to the 60% level. So we want to see this thing really break above that $33 level. If not, then this actually could be the start of maybe a bit of a downtrend, right? Come back up, hit the resistance level, and then maybe even head back down as well too. So that's a bit of a danger territory for the GDX. Let's go look at the GDXJ as well too. And we'll go have a look at what's going on from there, from that perspective. Again, downward movement. We are this overall downward movement. We are probably getting a little bit of upward movement from where we are now. Again, the whole conjunction for me is this recent level of resistance through here. We want to see this thing break above that level through there. If not, then we're probably going to start to continue down from here even more. We are getting a bit of a pullback. We are still a nice upward trend on that weekly charts. Low, this could be another high low before away we go as well too, right? So you never want to just blatant statement just go out like that. But this actually could be this could be the start of also another nice move as well too. But we definitely want to get past this $39 level for this thing to start to really break out. The big thing about the GDXJ as well is we're squeezing up into this triangle pattern. This big squeezing up in the triangle pattern definitely looks like it could be getting ready for a big move from there. Once we do start to break out of this level through here, then the big move is probably going to happen from there. Let's go have a look at gold last off the list. Gold, bit of a nothing day today on the gold market, a bit of a sideways day. The overall big flow through here that I'm noticing is that we definitely do have a lot of support and resistance around that whole area through there, which is at 1,980 level, that whole resistance through there. So we want to see this thing break above that level through there, which I do believe we're going to. And then once it starts to break up like that, then we could actually start to see this thing start to have another nice move to the upside. And I really do believe, traders, that once we start to do that, I think this is one of the most exciting opportunities to come out of the markets in the last few years. Because I believe this thing is going to actually see really, really, really big moves to the upside. So there's a bit of technical analysis, guys, for you, what's happening across the markets right now and as I am seeing them. If you do need some coaching, guys, need some help, I'm giving away a 30-day risk-free trial to my coaching program. I'm not sure how long that's got left. When you go over there, you'll be able to see the countdown timer from there. So very first link in the description, guys, go get access to that. Or if you're not really interested in the coaching sort of stuff, but you do want to get some sort of free education to help you out, then that second link in the description, I'm giving you a free membership access to my breakthrough course, which will really teach you things about the mindset side of things, the biggest mistakes you're making, the chart reading strategies, advanced chart reading strategies, trade management, my trading system, and so on and so forth. So there we go, traders. Have a great day.